Hello folks, today I'm making shrimp spaghetti. So my spaghetti is already ready and my shrimp.
Yep. So
Put some butter, then mix it around, which I'm doing.
And then put some garlic powder. Yep. On it. Then put some parsley flakes. Yep. Then put some oregano. Yeah,
it will give a lot of flavor.
Now what we need to do, heavy cream goes into it. Time for heavy cream.
Yay!
So our heavy cream going. So we are not adding any tomatoes, right?
Yes.
Because she does not like any tomatoes. So certainly we are not adding. We are adding some Italian spaghetti mixture. You can get anywhere. So this one. So we are going that. So it's time for put some Parmesan cheese. So get
Parmesan cheese coming right up.
Yeah, give more. Now time to throw your shrimp into the spaghetti. So look at here.
Spaghetti with shrimp. When this spaghetti is done, I would like to put more heavy cream.
Sure. So